broken arpeggio exercise. This exercise will train your vocal cords to be able to slide between registers, stretching them out and preparing them before you sing. We're going to be using an E on this exercise, and I want you to imagine that you're sliding from the back of the mouth to the front as you slide between notes. Try not to fill up with too much air, you want to keep nice and relaxed. Listen as I try. Now listen one more time. Now it's your turn.